Are you looking for the best laser receivers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best laser receivers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the AdirPro LD. This item is the first on our list and stands out from the rest. The AdirPro LD8 Universal Rotary Laser Receiver is one of the easiest devices to handle when it comes to alignment and leveling tasks. If you are a DIer and love to work on projects yourself, this is a must-have addition to the toolkit. If you are hunting for robust performance, this device will meet your expectations. With a dual-sided LCD, you can read it from both sides, making it simple to use while enhancing its reliability. Also, we were glad that the screen was very bright. With most projects, it is easier to work outdoors in broad daylight, but the sunlight makes it difficult for us to see the screen in most devices. But this device proved to be visible throughout. Up next in the 4th place is the Spectra HL700 Laserometer. A marvelous offering from this brand, the Spectra HL700 Laserometer surely packs a punch with its easy readability and sturdy body. With these two features combined, the product will leave a lasting impression on you. It also has one of the best manuals in this world, written in multiple languages, keeping in mind the brand's large customer base. This laser receiver will astonish you with the speed at which it shows the readings of elevation because of its digital readout function. It will spell out the exact arithmetical distance from the position. You do not need to be moving it from one point to the next to calculate the length or breadth. Also, it has a 5-inch reception height, which lets one receive the reading very quickly. The product also makes sure that laser beam lights are easily recognized. We can thank the anti-strobe sensor for the perfect vision, as this feature stops any kind of disturbance from switching off the receiver. The 3rd product on our list is the Leica i140 Classic Rugby Rod, i140 Classic Rotary Laser Receiver. We bring to you one of the best rated devices that are loved by people all around. The Leica i140 Classic Rugby Rotary Laser Receiver works outstandingly well and is very adaptable. It is set apart from its counterparts because of its brilliant features and high levels of accuracy. We would first like to mention the 3 detection accuracies of +/.04, +/.08, and +/.12 that are provided to suit your application needs. Also, it can measure distances up to 430 feet. This huge capacity is a boon if you want to scale farms or yards, and we were very impressed with the accuracy. The next feature we thought was beneficial is the 5-inch detection window. It is large and enables us to pick up the laser beams easily. The device has LCDs on both sides of it, making it easily readable from both ends. The sound could be increased and decreased whenever necessary, and this gave us a lot of relief. We have found some devices where the sound level cannot be controlled and can end up being too noisy. With this unit, there were no such problems. Second on our list is the Spectra Precision Lasers. Typically used with leveling lasers, such as the LL100 and HV101. This product is specially made for outdoors with its top-notch build quality and framing. The device is housed in a waterproof body. Also, it is protected from dust and moisture, none of which can penetrate the product. This keeps the inside working perfectly well in all weather conditions. Along with this, we were pleased to find a C59 rod clamp that came with a snap-in feature. This enabled quick switching between rod-mounted and handheld applications. If you are worried about dropping the gadget, do not anymore. This device is protected against accidental drops up to 5 feet. A 3-year warranty additionally backs it, and you need not worry about any malfunctions. The customer service is excellent, and will get the device replaced if required. While other Spectra receivers use slow beeps to go up and fast beeps indicate going down. This product works just the opposite. Now we all are used to hearing the beeps in a certain way, and it took us some time to get used to the opposite sound. We would have preferred if they kept the beeping on par with other devices. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bosch Red Beam Rotary Laser Receiver LR1. The next product is the Bosch Red Beam Rotary Laser Receiver LR1. It is one of the most reviewed devices and is compatible with most rotary lasers, which are known to produce red beams. Also, we were elated with the larger distances that this product could easily cover. Firstly, we would begin with the distance that it can work with. The laser beams are accurate up to 650 feet with a precision of +/1m/+/3. We were able to measure rotary laser detection at greater distances conveniently. If you needed to measure more considerable distances like fields and backyards, this laser measuring tool could come in handy. On par with most of the devices, this one too sports a double-sided LCD enhancing efficiency. It also assures easy visual readouts while you are at work. Moreover, with built-in heavy-duty magnets, we could easily attach it to any metal surface. This helped us keep the laser attached at eye level for better measurement. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.